May tumutulog. I thought first it was like the same as Singapore.
Say hello. Malbon, one of the best empanadas I've tried. Hola, hola from España. Hi guys, welcome back to another video diary. Not in Switzerland, but I'm currently here at Valencia, Spain. The weather is so great. So maglilibot-libot lang tayo dito. Actually, ako pa lang mag-isa ngayon, but I'll be traveling together with my Guillaume from Switzerland. And we will be exploring together Valencia, as well as pupunta din kami ng Madrid. I'm very excited. This is one of my favorite countries in the world, I would say, especially in Europe. Number one ko pa rin ang España. I think it has a place in my heart. Guys, so actually kanina kumain ako ng breakfast. So I bought this Malvon. Malvon is this one, empanada siya. Tapos tinikman ko siya, isa lang binili ko, and then I got an iced coffee. Pero sobrang sarap niya, as in one of the best empanadas that I've tried. So empanadas Argentina siya. So very legit. And hindi tinipid talaga kasi may mga empanadas na matigas yung kanilang bread. Tapos yung feeling nila sobrang kaunti lang. Ito sobrang sarap niya, as in super. Lalo na pag mainit, medyo mainit lang ng konti. And then, so binili ko is parang yung spicy beef ata yun. Tapos yung best seller nila, ang sarap din. Tapos bumili din ako ng ham and cheese, sobrang sarap niya. So umulit na naman ako, pangatlo ko na to, and ayoko nga kumain ng marami. But anyway, sobrang sarap niya. Ito ata yung hamon. Sobrang soft. Share ko lang guys. At saka para ma-diary ko na din ito. Malvon, one of the best empanadas I've tried. Baka meron siyang chain. Parang chain siya, pero hindi ko sure kung sa Valencia lang or buong Spain. So anyway, must try. Hi guys, so I'm currently with Guy. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Going to eat somewhere in a restaurant. It's the Del Mar or something. So we will eat paella. So let's see. So we're currently at the Malvon. So this is the different types of empanadas they have. It's Argentinian actually. You like asking. So check natin if magugustuhan niya guys. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa may papunta ng Mercado Centrale. So actually sobrang daming mga kainan dito, daming mga food. So how was it? It's too hot.
It's burning. I am burning myself.
But the bread is not too hard, right?
No.
And the feeling is like it's good because it's really like fresh, real, flavorful.
It's very good. I just burned my end with the sauce.
So hi guys, I ordered the sangria. He ordered the
A white
one.
one. I don't know which one. A dry one.
a dry one. So it was, but it's not a house wine.
No, it's from the bottle.
Yeah. So anyway, let's try. So we had our seafood paella here. I don't know how to It's not like that, removing a shell. Hi, hola España. It's our officially day 2 here in Spain. And yesterday we were just eating. We ate at the Paella nearby the Mercado Central because everything is closed. We had to take early dinner because of me. I have my French class, so we spend the night for me spending my French class, and then Guillaume went somewhere walking. And for today, we have a long list to do. We need to go to the beach. We have a sunset cruise later this evening. And then what else? We will be walking around the neighborhood. But first we will have a coffee here at Horchateria de Santa Catalina. So this one is on my bucket list. It was from 1909. Guys, nag-order lang kami, nag-takeaway kami, but I ordered this horchata. I don't know, it's like a milkshake. And then I have this also like their forchon, the traditional bread. I haven't tasted it, but let's see kung anong lasa niya. Para siyang donut na napipipe. Ayan lang siya. Parang donut nga. We're going to the Mercado Central. So maraming Mercado Central actually. It's just like the central market. And meron din nito sa Barcelona, meron dito sa Madrid. So anyway, let's check kung ano yung mukha ng central market dito. Pwede tayong almusalin dito. Ayan siya, Marcona. Iba't ibang klase, meron ding chicharon. Wow, I like this. I think it's the rice. It's the Valenciana rice. So we bought this ham for 5 euros. It's Iberico and I don't know, the normal one. I have the hamon. It's the chicken, I guess. Hamon?
There is ham inside of it.
No, it's the bacon.
In Spain, we were always impressed by the croissants they were doing. You know?
It's a big one. With the...
They don't seem so big now, but when I was a kid, it was much bigger than the one we had in Switzerland.
Because of...
We're walking on the water. May tumutulong. You will get to it. So hi guys, if you want an Instagram worthy place to visit here in Valencia without paying, you can go to Lambraquel. I thought first it was like same as Singapore, wherein you have an AC and a glass wall, but unfortunately it's like an open one, but the trees are very nice and you have a view. Here, look.
But it's much fresher than
Where?
where we were just before.
Oh yeah, for sure. So within the area din pala, makikita nyo dito yung Palau de la Art, Lazat siguro to. So ayun, tignan nyo. Sobrang refreshing dito kasi may tubig. Para siyang swimming pool. Tapos ayan, may mga building. Ayan, Palaus des Arts. Ayan, pwede kayong pumasok sa museum siguro. Baka may bayad lang. So hi guys, we're currently at Manhattan. Volotereta, Manhattan. So nandito kami ngayon for lunch. And look at the vibe. It's vibing.
Yeah.
What great about this restaurant?
There is
It has
nobody
air
inside.
AC. Yeah, there's nobody inside. English.
Yeah. Okay. It's like this. Okay.
Yeah. You have to read this page.
Hope it will.
Until you reach your destination, you will enjoy the story of the Jacobo. Enjoy the trip. And remember, time is the most valuable good.
Okay. Okay.
I will take a glass, just one glass of white wine, the from Valencia.
And then I'll have the lemon Aquarius.
Aquarium.
Yeah. So guys, ito yung vibe niya. So, may tao na. Ayan. Tapos meron silang parang pakulo dun sa pagpunta mo. Bali parang may hindi naman para mga salamin lang. So guys, we ordered this bao and then the gyoza. You ordered the gyoza?
Yeah.
Okay, and then that's the margaritas. So that's what we ordered. That's for the appetizer. Bonap?
Voilà.
I'll try the gyozas. Sarap. We can take the bao. Bye.
The red pepper.
It's like a pulled pork. So for the mains, we had the rigatoni, pesto and tomato, and then you have the
Cannelloni. Chick cannelloni.
chickelanoni. So I don't know. So let's go. So let's try our mains. You go first. Is it the chicken or for you? This one I'll try.
I think it's pork.
It's okay. Yeah, but it's fine.
I think they are using the pork they use in the starters. Yeah.
Every time. It's a sweet pasta with the pork. So guys, for dessert we have this Filipinos coffee and the dulce de leche. Let's try. So first for the starters, what's your favorite on the starters?
The ravioli.
It's not ravioli, it's gyoza.
Gyoza, yeah.
Yeah.
It was the more tasteful.
For me, it's the spring rolls. For the mains, we had the pesto as well as the
And the cannelloni.
cannoli.
In mine, the cannelloni was better
Okay.
because it has the same meat.
It was good, but I'm not sure if it's a main thing for me. It's more of an appetizer for me. Not too sweet, but it's so good. So it's currently around 7 p.m. here. Kakagising lang namin actually after nung aming lunch. Kasi sobrang late mag-lunch dito ng mga Spanish. Mga around 1 p.m. na nag-start. So natapos kami around mag-3 p.m. na, and then we went back to the hotel. Got an afternoon na pero medyo napahaba. And then now we will be going to the playa or to the beach kasi meron binook si Gina sunset cruise. Ito yung view ng aming neighborhood ng hotel. Ayan. Maganda dito sa may Valencia kasi kompleto. You have your shopping, of course, the city life, as well as din yung kanyang beach. Para siyang Barcelona pero less touristy, more authentic, more local. Wala masyadong mga turistang, mga ibang, lalo na mga Asians, wala masyado. I think hindi pa ganun kasikat ang Valencia when it comes to tourists, same as with Barcelona. But maganda siya so far para sa akin. And yeah, samahan nyo kami sa aming sunset cruise, guys. So let's go! Nandito kami ngayon sa may beach sa Malvarosa Beach. Ayan na, may nagtitraining na frisbee. So because we have no choice, we just eat here at the burger thing. Yeah, so mag-order kayo doon sa mag-order kayo ng burger doon. Mamimili kayo, iinitan nila. Then for the drinks, you can ask.
You're eating with the ends?
Yeah.
There'll be girls across